Okay, say hi to all the viewers of Filmy Gyan. Say hi. Urvashi Rautala. Parrot.
Kuchi mata puchi. Kuchi. एक वर बबुचानी.
मला शक्य आहे की नाही गंमत प्रयत्न केला तर impossible's possible होऊ शकतं. And my brother would always feel so good whenever he would see Charles Babu's face. And he used to tell me that I feel like I'm seeing my own eyes in him. I'm laughing at myself for doing this, but ha.
Hello and welcome to Perfect Tales. And look at my smile because I have three special guests joining on my show today. Ellie, Edward, and Charles Babu.
Yes,
है ना?
Edward Jana and Charles Babu.
Charles Babu, welcome to Filmy Gyan.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This
Thank
is
you, Bolo Edward. Edward, you want to say thank you? No? Okay.
Hi, Edward.
He's a brat.
Hello. But this is such a picture perfect frame. I've always struggled while filming for Perfect Tales, that too with cats and cat parents.
Yeah.
But they were like, हमारे लिए ये setup है, हम आके बैठ रहे हैं. How did you train them for this, Ellie?
I actually haven't trained them. It's just, I don't know. कहाँ जाना है बाबू?
Puchi, you wanna go now? Mood खराब हो गए.
Yeah, I haven't trained them. It's just, पता नहीं, खुद का मन है, I guess. Yeah. And they're quite protective that way also. So it's like, they want to be around. This one is a little funny cartoon.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a bit of a brat.
But also,
Diva.
before the interview began,
हाँ.
मैंने देखा आप इनके साथ इतने प्यार से, वो अलग लैंग्वेज थी, एली का अलग रूप देख रही थी, अलग अवतार, कार्टून नेटवर्क, कार्टून
Kuchi mata puchi. Kuchi. एक वर बबुचानी.
Yeah, I speak like that with them.
so cute.
Please stop changing.
Kuchi मेरा बच्चा और कुchi मेरा.
So Edward और चार्ल्स आपके लाइफ में कब आए?
Charles Babu आए हैं 2019 when I was shooting for Malang.
Okay.
Yes. So during pack up, I was walking back to the Vanity Man, and suddenly Charles Babu just like crossed by, and he just looked at me, and I just told him, I said, "Come inside, baby," and then he actually walked inside, and I have footage on it. I just recently posted it also on my Instagram. 5 years of Malang, and he's just right next to me. बाजू में बैठा है, मतलब एकदम ऐसा कि जैसे मतलब वो मेरा है. You know, like जैसे वो already मेरा family है. And the truth is that I've always been a dog girl. I've never been a cat person as such. So I was like, okay, मतलब like सब लोगों ने कहा कि Ellie, this is a sign. You should get him home because like street cats, they don't stay like this.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I looked him into his eyes, and I swear it was like a soul connection. I looked into Charles Babu's eyes, and they're like really, really deep. ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब वो पुराना वाला soul है type, you know? And I was like, okay, I can feel you type, you know? So I gave it a shot. I got him with me home. And I mean, the next morning itself, it was like pure like love. Like the way he would like come and be like, and all of that. And I was like, yaar, usko to hi rakna hi padega. So yeah, he became my family, and like he's such an angel. I swear, like he's just, yeah, he's an angel. And then what happened was, because I leave home so often, for shoot, work वगैरह this and that, तो वो मतलब अकेला रहता है. और बहुत लोग ऐसे मतलब सोचते हैं कि बिल्लियाँ अकेला रह सकता है. लेकिन एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट ट्रू. मतलब उनको भी कंपनी चाहिए. इट्स जस्ट दैट वो मूडी है कि कभी कभी उनको मतलब अपना स्पेस चाहिए. बट द वे दे प्ले विद ईच अदर, दे कैन नॉट प्ले विद अस, यू नो. So a lot of my other friends who has cats, they kept telling me this, Kelly, trust me, you should get another cat baby as well for Charles Babu to have company.
Right. So my kuchi puchi. Edward, now we're gonna come to you, my
Yeah.
love.
Yeah, so and you know, because he's an alpha cat, So a lot of people were saying this कि you should get a female because he's already quite old now. So मतलब झगड़ा होगा बहुत. And I was like यार पर मुझे तो मतलब I want to have 2 boys, and I wasn't able to um find a female cat as such. And then there was a day where I had seen this one female cat, and then a friend of mine suddenly sent me a story of this little Edward Babu saying कि यार ये बहुत cute है and urgently उसको adopt करना है.
Okay.
Yeah, because it was there was this one model girl who had found him in Juhu on the street, and he was like super duper tiny and he was screaming, and he had gone to her and she was like, I have to like save this little baby. So she got him home, but apparently in the model apartments and all, you're not allowed to keep animals. So they were like, I mean, they had to keep it as a secret for their correct? For their नहीं मत जाओ ना बाबू, मत जाओ ना कहीं. Change.
कुछ तो एडवर्ड आप इंटरव्यू में फीचर हो रहे हैं, आपके बारे में हम बातें कर रहे हैं. Do you like it?
Yeah, so they had to find somebody, and then I saw the photo of him and I'm like, what is this cute little ginger boy? Like, मतलब बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है ना. वैसे मुझे पता है कि वो लड़का है और सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि मतलब they are not gonna like get along, with 2 alphas and all of that. But I was like, let me
तो सुन बाबू और खाना मिलेगा तुमको, ठीक है?
yes.
Yes, you will get more food, बाबू.
So so I was like, let me just go there. And I met him and he was like full of life and jumping around like this little cartoon, he was so cute. And I was like, yaar, let me just try it out. And I had like big faith in my Charles Babu because he's like, matlab, he is not that very aggressive cat, So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि he will accept this one.
Okay.
And actually within 3 days itself, he ended up accepting him, which is apparently very rare. Yeah, it's very rare. Like normally मतलब एक महीना भी हो सकता है, this and that. But I just told him कि no, you have to accept this little fellow. And what has happened is that Edward is far more like alpha than Charles Babu. मतलब वो काफी jealous है Charles Babu से. आसी गुस्सा हो गए. बोला अच्छा मैं jealous हूँ.
Literally crying right now. Me.
Edward, come back Jana.
You both are like talking to each other right now. What is he saying like? I mean, John, this conversation go on.
Edward, I'm talking about when you came into this family. तुमको नहीं सुनना है? नहीं सुनना, उनको गुस्सा है. See?
आप
नाराज.
बोलो, आपको क्या बोलना है? आप बोलो हमारे साथ.
हाँ, so
Hi.
anyways, मतलब he came and Charles Babu accepted him, and then he has just allowed this little fellow to be the alpha main, like क्या बोलते हैं मतलब जो
Yeah. But he looks very
rule करता है
secure.
type.
He's
हाँ,
very secure. Like,
शायद वही है I guess.
like I can sense. अच्छा.
ओयो,
क्या हो आए थे आप इनकी लाइफ में? Okay, say hi to all the viewers of Filmy Gyan. Say hi. So basically today I have a cat guest on my show who is literally interacting with me in between the interview.
Yeah.
I can ask him anything right now, I believe.
He actually talks a lot.
Yeah.
Like especially with my house help, he loves her so much.
Yeah.
He talks to her constantly. जो भी वो बोलेगी ना जवाब देता है. सब मतलब बताता है उनको भी. हाँ. Yeah, a full conversation is happening. Like we all really wish we could just have some machine which would just translate exactly what he says.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like she will come in the morning and he has full kahani. Will tell her things and all. Yeah. And whenever she goes also, he like talks and
Yes.
यस. नैन्सी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना हम. Your favorite Nancy है ना चलसू?
Cholsu में बोल रहा हूँ. Edward, this is something I have noticed, huh?
हाँ.
मतलब growing up,
हाँ.
I would always be like, naraz on like my parents or like,
हाँ.
जब गलत नाम बोलते हैं. कि मतलब बच्चे का गलत नाम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं मुंह से. And now after having them, I'm noticing कि मतलब same thing even I'm doing. Like to Edward, I'm saying like Charles. To Charles, I'm saying Edward. क्योंकि मतलब वो ऐसे होता है. So then I started to understand this thing कि oh अच्छा.
my god.
Okay, that is true. मतलब it happens like that. Because like parents would always explain or like, you know, your relatives, they would always explain and be like, you know, अरे वो ऐसे मुंह से निकलता है कभी-कभी blah, blah, blah. And you would just be like, but कैसे? You're saying it's me, no? But it's like, yeah,
I'm समझ
it
रहा है.
happens. हाँ, अब समझ
पर जैसे आपने कहा चार्ल्स बाजू ने आपको देखा एंड यू फेल्ट दैट कनेक्शन, मुझे लगता है कि लाइक डॉग हो या कैट हो वो आपको चूज करता है. इट्स अ कॉस्मिक कनेक्शन समवेयर.
Yeah,
It's a karmic connection. They come to your life for
Mm.
some reason. And
I agree.
I have had
absolutely agree.
like I've had cats since uh, I was a child. My grandmother loved cats. She was fond of cats, and I believe if I remember, I had 16, 17 cats and kittens in my house.
Wow.
Yeah, and every cat after later on when I started realizing every cat walked into my life with a purpose, and then they left.
Hmm.
However, something changed when they entered my life. They
Wow.
came with
Yeah.
a purpose. Have you sort of experienced such
हाँ,
thing
मतलब
when I
मैं
entered
तो
your life?
yeah, मैं तो ये मानती हूँ. Because when Charles Babu entered my life actually in 2019, and it was so crazy because I literally looked at him and I was thinking मतलब कौन सा नाम दूँ उनको. And for some reason I felt like I wanted to give him my brother's name, my elder brother. For some reason. And then I was like, but यार वो तो मतलब complicated रहेगा. You know, whom am I talking about? You know? So I was like, I'll give him my brother's name as his second name. So then I named him Charles instead.
Okay.
And I showed him to my brother also. And even my brother like really liked him. And then what happened was 3 days after Charles entered my life, my brother collapsed. And he got to the hospital and we found out that he had a brain tumor. So it was like, it was such a shock कि मतलब that's when I understood this thing. Like when people say this कि an animal will like walk into your life as a guardian angel, as a protector, as a something, you know. So I didn't know it before. But then I read about it. Then other friends was telling me about that. And you know, it's just so crazy because it was as if he did not only walk into my life, he walked into my brother's life as well. Because every time, every day we would FaceTime, and my brother would always feel so good whenever he would see Charles Babu's face. And he used to tell me that I feel like I'm seeing my own eyes in him. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. He was literally feeling like so connected with Charles. And I remember when I was traveling home to Sweden for the surgery, and I'd asked my brother, ki, you know, what do you want me to like bring? So he was like, can you get Charles? Yeah, like he was literally feeling like I just want to like hold him, you know. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that because that's another task and process and all that. But so yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like he's very, very special. Very special. It was something that was, he was sent, I think, maybe from my grandfather or maybe grandmother, I think. I think so. I really do. Yeah.
Because I believe in all these things because I have been a
Yeah.
pet parent
Yeah.
throughout my life, whole life.
Yeah. And you know, it's so crazy because I spoke to my mom also when I was basically speaking to this one medium who was telling me this, that, you know, later on, who was telling me this, that Charles Babu is probably, you know, like one of your grandparents, something like that she was sensing. And I said that to mom. We were sitting in the garden back home in Sweden. And then she told me that her mother, my grandmother, it becomes Dadi ji, na?
Nani,
Nani.
Nani.
Na-
Mother's
Mother's mom.
Nani.
My Nani ji she loved cats. She passed away when I was 4, so that if I don't like know it. But my mom said that she loved cats so much that she always used to say that if I'm ever born again, I want to be born as a cat. And I was like, oh my God, like, what did my Charles always great grandma?
You never know. So the traits of cat that you kind of imbibed in you.
What?
What are the traits of cats your babies traits that you have imbibed in you?
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. I don't know actually. Is he being captured? Edward. Oh, Edward. I can't. Yeah, that's a good question actually. I don't know.
Nothing. Because, the fact that I've observed people trolling cats, people who are only dog lovers, I've sort of seen them talking कि यार cats are very selfish, they are self-centered, they are not loyal. है ना ये
Yeah, I mean,
सिनी है.
जैसे मैंने कहा कि I've always been a dog girl. तो मेरा connection कभी हुआ नहीं दीयों से. I always used to feel that they are very like
Self-centered?
not self-centered. मतलब ऐसा it was like a saying कि like cat people are like that less emotional, more like हाँ मतलब कुछ ऐसा
Right.
yeah. So I remember that, but it just changed completely.
Yeah.
Like after Charles Babu, I'm like wow ऐसा मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं है. They are very emotional and they sense so much what you are going through and yeah, it's not at all like that. It's just कि मतलब moody है and they also want their own space.
Yeah.
That's the difference. And हाँ ठीक है मतलब ये भी सच है कि they are not the ones who are gonna come jumping when you're coming home. They're not gonna be like that. Or like when you're leaving कि मतलब मत जाओ. They are very like हाँ अलग in that way. But certainly I learned कि it's not like that at all. Just
Yeah.
मतलब पहले से मैंने सोचा cats के बारे में.
True, मतलब ये
They're also very emotional. They're also very they're also like healers. Yeah. And cute है मतलब
हीलर्स है क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को ना ये मिस कंसेप्ट मतलब उनको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ लोगों का परसेप्शन गलत लगता है मुझे कि उनको पता ही नहीं है कि कैट्स हीलर्स है. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि वो अग्रेसिव है, नोचते हैं ये, बट आप उनको अपने स्पेस में
बस ऐसा मतलब अटैक करोगे
नहीं है
नहीं
ऐसे.
करता
और दैट शुडंट बी अ डिबेट बिटवीन डॉग कितने लॉयल है या कैट लॉयल है कि नहीं. मुझे लगता है डॉग हैज देयर ओन ट्रेड्स एंड क्वालिटीज,
Yeah.
बट कैट्स एक पर्पस के साथ आपके लाइफ में आते हैं और जब आप उनके करीब जाते हो तब आपको पता चलता है यार कैट्स भी लॉयल है, कैट्स भी लविंग है. मैंने तो एक्सपीरियंस किया है. दिल cuddle you, they'll come to you, they're emotional, they'll sense it,
Yes.
they will walk into your life.
Yeah.
And as a pet parent, I would want to ask you this question: what is the most funniest thing to be surrounded by cats?
The funniest thing is probably that, especially this little fellow is so like unpredictable. हाँ मतलब he is very entertaining.
Okay.
बहुत entertain करता है वो मतलब अचानक से will just jump around the entire house as if कि मतलब पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
But ginger cats ऐसा ही होता है ना,
Ginger cats are
unique.
hilarious. I love them. They are so hilarious. I love you too, Charles बाबू. मेरा बच्चा आप भी बहुत स्पेशल हो. सब सुनता है वो. हाथ मिलाना पड़ता है. Yes. So
Very naughty ginger cats are.
हाँ मतलब very mischievous, very like emotional भी है बहुत. मतलब हमेशा affection चाहिए. And then yeah, they're kind of like at least मतलब बचपन से Edward, what I used to love about him was that he would kind of like find things to entertain himself. He would just like he would play around as if कि वो कुछ चीज के साथ खेल रहा है but कुछ है नहीं. हाँ, but he's just playing around, jumping around and like doing his own thing. It's like मैं bored हूँ, कुछ करना है मुझे.
कुछ करना है,
हाँ.
एक जगह नहीं बैठेंगे.
हाँ.
Really, I also believe in
Kena kuchi-muchi? Pertama puti. Yo 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 yo. Puti puti puti.
singing. I love this version of Ellie.
Yeah.
Nobody must be aware of
Yeah.
this version.
Yeah, I
Are you?
do that a lot with them. Like sometimes I feel कि they understand my cartoon language more than any other language, Yeah, it's like हाँ.
Somebody else. But इनके आने से लाइफ में ढेर सारे प्रोटेक्शन और अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी आती है. And you sort of experience that.
Protection, I think, yes. Protection, healing, जैसे मैंने कहा. Like even Edward has like very my like with like more joy.
Okay.
Do you sing a song with them? Any-
I do sing a song actually.
Can you?
I used to sing a lot for Charles Babu and it used to make him like fall asleep.
You know?
But I don't know if I want to sing it now.
Please.
No, yeah.
You're looking so cute. I'm enjoying it.
No.
A little bit. One line. Yes.
Wait over here.
Yes.
You know, he's getting vexed as well. So much to go.
Mat जाओ ना बाबू.
Wait, go.
Sorry. Sorry मेरा बच्चा.
Edward, you want to listen to a song on public itself? No, I want to leave right now.
Oh, wait, let me just like calming down.
Edward, you okay, बाबू? You okay?
So one thing that I actually learned is this whole thing up. Is this whole thing of like you're having like two babies and how you need to learn as a mother to give importance to both, you know, and not like make the other one feel less important or less loved. That is something that I've really learned because मैं देखती हूँ, I end up seeing कि you know if I'm giving Edward more attention, more love, then you know Charles का मुंह थोड़ा ऐसा होता है, मतलब आप सेंस करते हो कि वो थोड़ा सा मतलब low feel करता है. So it's like, you know, you have to give that importance, you know, have to give love there also. And like,
Balance both the
yeah,
things.
yeah, it's quite a task also sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But also, congratulations, Ellie. Looking at the series of projects that you're doing, maybe Traveler Show,
Yeah.
your Marathi movie,
Yeah.
like I see a lot of variations on your platter placed as an artist, which is very essential.
Thank you.
So, what would you like to say and share about all these things that are happening in terms of professional life?
Wow, what would I like to share? Just कि मतलब I'm just very grateful for you know getting to do so many different things as an artist because that is what I enjoy. There's so much to learn, you know, in the world of art. It's like constant opportunities to keep on growing, keep on discovering things. तो मतलब वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है and I've always had this thing for languages. I love to like learn different languages. I was very excited to learn Marathi, like all my Marathi dialogues and dub for myself. And
मराठी मध्ये
What
काही
the-
बोलू शकता का?
हाँ हो
हो.
अपना ये एक डायलॉग बोलेंगे.
हाँ.
I think I've got Charles, no, Edward Babu's बाल लेक पेन. That's one thing that keeps on happening. वो बाल उड़ता है ना
Yeah.
हर जगह पर. That's it. But anyways, हाँ, that dialogue goes like this.
हाँ.
की मला शक्य आहे की नाही गंमत प्रयत्न केला तर impossibleचं possible होऊ शकतं.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
छान
Which is
मराठी
actually
बोलता
true.
तुम्ही.
Which is also true. This dialogue I really like it. Yeah. Because it is very much true. Yeah. But yeah, it was fun doing that. And I have few more exciting projects which are yet to release. And then my travel show India with Ellie season 4 has now released. A second episode, I think, came out today. So there are 10 episodes in total. And I went to Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, very beautiful state. Wow,
Yeah.
what places I've got to see.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really, really amazing. Right? I highly recommend it.
All the travel episodes
Yeah.
and also the Marathi film. But किसी ने सेट पे पूछा आपको जेवलिस का?
I think yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, yeah, अभी तो काफी time हो चुका है, but yes, obviously.
But did you get the meaning जेवलिस का? महाराष्ट्रियन में ज्यादातर किससे पूछते हैं, क्यों पूछते हैं?
No, I don't.
Okay, it's a love language. Basically, अगर कोई लड़का एक लड़की से पूछता है
हाँ.
जेवलिस का, it's a
हाँ.
love language. In
हाँ.
a way, he's also saying I love you, that he cares about you.
Oh,
Yeah.
but that I never got explained. Now you explained it.
So,
But yes, I do remember that I have been asked this on set. Yeah.
Okay, wow, now you know.
Yeah, now I know. Okay.
Now you know.
It's taking back to my first Bollywood film on set when I was shooting for that one. हाँ, जब मतलब हिंदी थोड़ा समझते हैं, but मतलब सारी चीजें नहीं समझते हैं, you know, so
क्या बात है?
type of a
Okay.
thing. So the song that I sing, I basically sing कि मतलब सो जा मेरा बच्चा.
Can you sing it? I'm forcing her to sing this song because I'm just curious to know.
So I basically sing like this.
हाँ.
सो जा मेरा बच्चा, सो जा मेरा बच्चा. I can't complete it, yaar.
He's
But yeah.
completed it is you.
सो जा मेरा बच्चा. I'm laughing at myself for doing this, but but that is how I sing it. Just soja mera bacha back to back.
And so
Yeah.
that's it. Okay.
हाँ, in that like
Okay.
melody way. Yeah.
सो जा मेरा बच्चा.
I think he's getting little bit conscious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
पूछी मचा पूछी.
Singing with
Sorry, Edward. Sorry. We're troubling you. We're troubling you, mera bacha. But that song is more like that song is more for Charles Babu. Bachpan se. Yeah, with him I used to do that.
सो जा मेरा
And
बच्चा.
he would always like, you know, he would get into sleep.
Wow.
Yeah.
So cute.
Yeah.
Okay, ready for the segment? She's like,
You
you made me do it.
You forced me to do it, but हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah, but it was cute. Believe me. Okay. हम फटाफट अभी segments करेंगे. पहले segment का नाम है Bollywood Wildlife.
Bollywood wildlife.
Yeah, I'm going to mention few names and you have
Okay.
to tell me the spirit animal.
Okay.
Okay. So the first name is Salman Khan.
Tiger,
Perfect. Shah Rukh Khan.
lion,
Siddharth Roy Kapoor.
camel came in my head.
Why?
I don't know. Don't ask me. It's just
Okay.
what came.
Deepika Padukone.
Leopard.
And
है ना? बस ऐसे आया ज़्यादा
Okay.
सोचते नहीं हूँ. Leopard.
Katrina Kaif.
Cat actually.
है ना?
Yeah.
Everybody calls a cat.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah,
also,
that way
like
also.
cat. Yeah.
Alia Bhatt.
Fish.
Ananya Pandey.
Dog.
Abhumi Pednekar.
White tiger.
Yeah, could be.
हाँ मतलब tiger but white tiger. Yeah.
Okay. Jackie Shroff.
यार I feel like tiger आया उनके लिए भी.
Okay. And the last one is Urvashi Rautela.
Parrot.
And why so?
I don't know. It just came to my mind because parrot is like very colorful and everybody finds a parrot being entertaining. And she has she has entertained a lot of people.
Yeah.
And she's also very colorful with the way she dresses up, her makeup and everything.
Okay, time for rapid fire round. The first one is, have you ever tried pet food?
No.
Never. Okay. Favorite animal themed movie?
Finding Nemo
Yeah.
and Ratatouille. Oh, these two are actually my favorite ones.
Cute.
Yeah.
If your pet had a dating app account,
Yeah.
what would the bio be?
For Edward, it would be young, charming brat.
For Charles Babu?
For Charles Babu, it will be deep, intellectual. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Cat.
If you could be any animal for a day, which one would you be?
If I would
Be any animal for a day.
be any animal for a day, wow, a leopard.
Okay. Which beat-down celebrity do you think will make a great pet parent?
Most of them actually have pet babies. Most of them, yeah.
Okay.
I think everybody is great at it. Yeah.
What is your pet name? As in, what is your nickname?
My nickname is actually Ellie. My full name is Elizabeth.
Oh.
So बचपन से Ellie बुलाते हैं मुझे.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the weirdest thing your pet has chewed?
The weirdest thing. thing I've chewed. Mm, I think it's only the plastic or something.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, which
Yeah.
of your co-star is obsessed with their pet?
I cannot think of anyone more than me, myself actually.
Okay. Other than you, if you had to mention a name, कोई set पे लेके आया या constantly they are just
Rashmika Mandana.
oh
Haan, when we were shooting for Goodbye, so she would have a little baby dog, little girl come on set. Yeah, yeah,
she's so much obsessed with the
yeah,
dog.
yeah.
Lovely.
Very adorable one. Yeah.
Okay. What is the wildest dream you have?
The wildest dream I have, that I shall not share with you.
Okay. That's fine because it's wildest. Okay. If you could set up a play date for your pet with any celebrity pet, whose would it be?
Yeah, I think with Disha's babies.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
cats.
She's got cat and dog,
Yeah.
so many. Yeah,
Okay.
I think that would be quite wild.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last one is one life gyan you would like to share with the audience of Filmy Gyan.
I just feel कि मतलब people who harm animals or who do such bad things, मतलब to actually sit and trying to teach them कि वो मत करो, I think वो नहीं समझ पाओगे.
बिल्कुल.
उनका thinking इतना अलग ही है. Where it's like जितना हम बैठ के ये बोलेंगे, it will just not, that is the saddest part.
True.
So I think the best thing actually what we can do is this कि मतलब be an example in showing that we should give love to the animals, to the street dogs, the street cats. Like for example, the other day, me and my mom was catching a rickshaw, and I remember we were just standing there, and there was this adorable street dog that came, और एक छोटा लड़का था, एक बच्चा, so he just went like this. He did like this towards it. So immediately I understood कि this child was have probably been taught कि कुत्ते को मतलब ऐसा करना है या शायद मारना है या मतलब So I just immediately put my hand on the dog and I was just giving it love, and I saw how this boy was suddenly looking at it. So I think we can just lead by an example, like as in
Be the change you want to see.
yeah, and because that is how a child will also learn and see another perspective and maybe just understand that, oh, okay, this person actually did like that. So maybe dogs are also kind and nice, and maybe, we can also give them love. Like, I think that
Yeah.
works more than just
Absolutely.
maybe sitting and just talking. I think our actions are going to teach children and other people far more. So I think that is what we all can do. And also really like adopt more than buying
Absolutely.
the क्या बोलते हैं
Don't buy, adopt.
हाँ yeah like
Don't shop,
any
adopt.
way
Any
day I feel
Absolutely.
I feel that is what one
Yeah.
should try and do, because there's so many of these innocent beautiful lives that we can give them a better life,
Yes.
and they're beautiful souls.
बिल्कुल. और
Yeah.
परफेक्ट टेल्स के ज़रिए हम ये आपके पेट्स की कहानियाँ उन लोगों तक पहुँचाना चाहते हैं जिनका परसेप्शन अलग है एनिमल्स को लेके, जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि वो लविंग है, केयरिंग है उनके बारे में। शायद कहीं न कहीं अगर हम 1% भी इस शो के ज़रिए चेंज लाने की कोशिश करते हैं और वो चेंज आता है, तो इट्स अ बिगर सक्सेस देन द व्यूज़ और एनीथिंग एल्स दैट वी कैन ग्रैब थ्रू इंटरव्यूज़ एंड इंटरैक्शन। बट वी वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट वी आर रीचिंग आउट टू पीपल। अगर अननोइंगली भी लोग स्क्रॉल करते वक्त ये 4 बातें, ये 4 लाइन सुने and वो changes लाए, so I feel this interaction that we had will make more sense than anything else in the world. So thank you so much for your time, Ellie. It was wonderful having a conversation with you. Thank you to Edward and Charles Babu. Thank you so much. They're sleeping right now, but it was a picture perfect frame for my interview. I enjoyed interacting with those two because they were also talkative and interactive, especially Edward. So रहे थे, especially Edward, he was responding, so it was like I'm not just interacting with you but also with Edward. Thank you so much. And when are we meeting next time? What's happening next?
आप बताओ?
मिलते हैं जल्दी, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करो, हम मिलेंगे जल्दी ही।
Yeah,
थैंक यू सो मच।
thank you.
थैंक यू।